Daily workout magic, stretching exercises for men. Let's do it. Number 1. Band-seated leg extension. Perform band-seated leg extensions by sitting on the floor with a resistance band looped around your feet. Extend your legs against the resistance, targeting your quadriceps and hamstrings. This exercise enhances lower body strength and flexibility, promoting muscle growth and improving athletic performance in men. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 2. Dumbbell bar grip sumo squat. Execute the dumbbell bar grip sumo squat by assuming a wide stance and holding a dumbbell bar close to your body. Squat down, engaging your glutes, quads, and inner thighs. This exercise contributes to better balance, muscle tone, and lower body sculpting for men seeking enhanced strength and stability. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 3. Dumbbell behind back wrist curl. Focus on wrist strength and flexibility with the dumbbell behind back wrist curl. Hold a dumbbell behind your back and curl your wrists upward. This exercise targets forearm muscles, improving grip strength and wrist mobility, crucial for men aiming to enhance their grip for weightlifting exercises. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 4. Dumbbell goblet squat. Engage multiple muscle groups with the dumbbell goblet squat. Hold a dumbbell close to your chest while performing squats, activating the core, quads, and glutes. This exercise builds a solid foundation for lower body strength and stability, making it ideal for men on a fitness journey. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 5. Stretching ceiling look stretch. Stretch your upper back and neck with the ceiling look stretch. Reach upward as if looking at the ceiling, elongating your spine. This exercise enhances flexibility, reduces tension, and promotes relaxation, providing relief for men facing the strains of daily life. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 6. Stretching hip circle stretch. Improve hip mobility and release tension with the hip circle stretch. Engage your hips in circular motions to target the hip joints and surrounding muscles. This exercise enhances flexibility and reduces stiffness, making it essential for men seeking an improved range of motion. Get ready for the next powerful exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. Number 7. Stretching quadriceps lying stretch. Lie on your side and perform the quadriceps lying stretch to elongate the quadriceps. This stretch alleviates tension in the front thigh muscles, promoting better leg mobility and comfort. It's an excellent addition to any routine for men looking to improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Stretch your limits and make magic happen every day with these powerful stretching exercises for men. Embrace the journey to a healthier, more flexible you.